Spelling of tension. Tension means a situation when people don't trust each other. Tension is spelled as Tension. Okay, so look, it has two syllables, ten, then this is first syllable, and SI1, this is second syllable. Okay, tension. The pronunciation at the end is shown, so you can wrongly write T and tension, Tion, but you need to write S. So how to remember? So to remember the letter S, look at here. Tension means a tense situation, right? When people don't trust each other. So from that context, you can remember tense people need relaxation. From tense people, you can remember the letter S. Tense, tension, tense people. So you need to relate this, and this is the way